first you have to fold that one there. And really neatly like that. And then you have to fold this one there. And then the other one. There as well. And then you have to fold it again. And then that one again. And then you have to fold this down. And then fold where that comes up about there. Fold it like that. And then fold out so it reaches like that. And then copy the other one by doing that. And then have yourselves a really good flying aeroplane.
You're going to test it?
Okay.
Go. Good job.
And it can fly, if you fly it really softly. If you fly it hard, it goes really down, but if you fly it softly, like that, then it can swoop along there and come back to you.